Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just put a short video together today, just showing you how to reset the service light on this 2020 Iveco Daily. Now this same reset applies from about 2014 to 21, basically before the later style dash. So it's got this style dash on it at the minute that lights up like that. Now it's quite a straightforward reset. The first thing we're going to do is just turn the ignition on. You're going to press and hold the accelerator pedal, and you're going to count 15 seconds. Once 15 seconds has gone, press and release the brake pedal 10 times, sorry. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On the last one, keep the pedal depressed with the accelerator depressed as well. Turn the ignition off. You can then release the pedals, and then when you turn it on after that, your service light should be reset. Now there is a separate procedure to do with the diagnostic machine. It won't flag up a warning on the dash for it, but you do need to run through that. It's not absolutely crucial, but you should really run through it on there to say that the oil's been changed as well. I hope the video helped. If it did, give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.